The chase on June 18th was, it was, it was okay.
Oh my goodness. Look at this tornado. All right, the radar is looking absolutely incredible. I would not be surprised if there's a tornado on the ground right now. Yeah, there's a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground.
I was about 5 miles away from the tornado when I first stopped.
All right, tornado on the ground. I'm gonna get my 360 cam going because this thing will probably fully condense here any second. Unbelievable tornado. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This thing's powerful. I should really move south. This is a powerful tornado. All right, I got a bomb south. All right. It's still there. It's still there. Yeah, you can still see it in there. You can still see there's like a cone in there. You still see the cone? Yeah, multi-vortex tornado. This thing is strong.
I had to drive south to stay in front of the outflow and rain of the storm. I also wanted to see this thing up close and personal.
Look at this thing. Look at that tornado. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, we're pretty close. Honestly, we're closer than I want to be to this thing. I'm gonna have to move here real soon. Yeah. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this tornado. All right, we're really close. We're really close to this. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that tornado. Oh my God. Let me do this. Oh my goodness. Look at that tornado, unbelievable. Okay, this thing is cycling. I'm gonna have to move here. All right, I'm turning around. Getting out of here.
After the first tornado roped out, I would drive to the southeast to stay in front of the mesocyclone. I was right in the path of the circulation.
All right, I'm gonna have to move like right now. All right, let's get out of here.
I would again encounter the storm to the northeast of Fort Recovery, Ohio. This time, I would get up close and personal.
Oh shit, I'm way too close to this thing. It should go to my south. This thing should go to my south. Alright, it's in front of me now. Alright, I'm worried about power lines. Worried about power lines right here. Alright. It's right in front of me right now. Right in front of me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's right in this field. I am really close to this. I really hope this comes through. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable tornado. It's right here. It was right in this field. I might even be able to get closer. Wow. This is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. It is right in this field. Right here. All right, we got. That's fine. It's fine. It's just water. This place was hit. All right. Somehow the power lines are still up. Alright, gonna have to stop right here. Oh my goodness. Look at this tornado. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jeez. This is unbelievable. We could not be in a better spot. We're behind this thing, so we're safe right here. Oh my goodness. Here, let's roll up the window a little bit, get a little less wet. Here we go. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's destruction on these houses. Wow. I think that's it. Unbelievable. Yeah. This thing did some nasty damage right here. This is right where I was when I saw it.
Later that day, I would go back to that same location to survey the damage with my drone. I talked with some locals and they told me that one leveled building was a wood shop. Fortunately, no one was in that building when I got hit. This tornado would end up getting an EF2 rating, with winds upwards of 135 miles an hour. This tornado had 0 injuries or fatalities associated with it, only property damage. That really is a best case scenario for a tornado that strong. Even though the tornado had only happened a few hours prior, cleanup was fully underway. You don't really need to look very closely to see where the tornado traveled. It's made pretty obvious by the mud in the field. Probably my most successful storm chase ever. And look at this, I got my maddest clouds. Right there is actually right where I was recording. Am I gonna focus? Woo. It's weird pointing a camera at yourself when there's other people around. If you like this video, smash that like button, smash that subscribe. Okay, this is embarrassing.